Well, guys, take a look at it. Apparently, we've got a rod knock. I don't know. That's what my brother has clarified as it, but Brayton doesn't think so.
He lied. Because if it was a rod knock, we'd hear it right now, right?
We're just gonna live it up and see what YouTube thinks.
Damn GM vehicles.
Man, did you sound like it's gonna die? Oh, you can hear it right here. You hear it?
I do now. Can't hear it very good though. Take a peek back in this dark ass car. Beautiful dash. Look at that. I don't hear it.
It's not beautiful.
No, I don't hear it. I don't hear it when it idles, really.
You can hear it? You can slightly hear it.
Maybe. Yeah, I hear it. It's knocking.
That's a knock. So, I don't know. If anyone out there knows what the problem is, please fucking tell me, because I don't fucking know. I've been trying to do all this shit, find out the problem and everything, and I'm now that I went under there and actually heard it, I'm pretty set in stone that it's a rod knock. At least now I am. So, yeah.
Till next time.